to look at minimum time visiting all points problem. So here we have been given a few points. Here we have to start from the first point and then reach to the last point in order. So I to visit from one point to another point, either we can go in x direction, y direction, or we can just go diagonally in 1 unit of time. So this problem can be solved greedily, right? So if we let's take an example. Here I have, so here let's say we have to start at 1 comma 1 and then we have to reach 2 comma 3. Here if we either, let's say first we go in this direction and then in this direction, then the total time would be like 1 in this direction and then 2 in this direction. Total time would be 3. If let's say we go first in this direction and then this and then x direction, then also the total time would be 3. But if we go diagonally, for example here, and then we go in this y direction, then the total time would be 2. So we can only go diagonally. So when we go diagonally, then basically instead of, like, for example here covering, like, taking 2 units of time, we can reach in 1 unit of time, right? But we can only do till the point when x and y, like whatever difference is in the y and x and y coordinates, rest of the distance we have to travel in either in x direction or y direction. So basically the total time taken would be the maximum of the difference of the x and y coordinates, right? So for example here what we are doing is we are covering x and y together in 1 unit of time, right? So we can just add up, like take this total edge, right? That would be the total time taken, right? Because in this direction it's not taking any time, right? So this is the code that we have. We iterate over, so we take kind of what was the last point, the starting point, and then we iterate over every point. We take what's the x distance from the last point, y distance from the last point, and then which edge is the maximum of these, and then last point, we assign last point to be the current point, and then just return the answer. I'll also add this code in the description as well. Check that out.